Hey, what's up guys? This is a CRV 08. I gotta do the oil change today, okay, and I gotta show a quick video how you do it. Alright, this is the equipment that you need for your job. You need an oil pan tray, you need the oil filter remover, and the wrench 13th. Alright, and the oil you gotta buy the 520, and if your car has more than 100,000, you should go to high mileage, oil. And this is the part number for the oil filter, okay, PS 7317, about $5, and you can get this Walmart around like $22 or $24 for this. And the towel was for cleaning. All right, so let's go ahead and locate the oil filter. All right guys, this is the oil filter right here. All right, just up and loosen it, let it drain. All right, first thing you need to do, remove the oil filter, and the next is to remove the bowl right here. All right, 13 millimeter. For the new filter, you need to put some oil on the rings to stop it from like leaking, and it's easy to remove next time. All right, this is the new one. Okay, now we're gonna install it. Okay, right here. Use this type of hand. Okay, use it. Okay, type of my hand tight. Alright, new filter in. Now we're gonna loosen the bolt here. Okay, so this is the 5,000 mile oil, right? I use synthetic, but I do it every 5,000. I don't want to keep longer than that, and the oil filter always replace it. Okay, now we gotta put in the new oil. Okay, Okay guys, this is you need a little bit more for that. Okay, so we add the upper level. You see that? Okay. So I use like almost 5 quart, almost maybe 4.7 quart. Right. Okay, for the used oil, we had an empty bottle right now. So we're just gonna put it into the empty bottle and give it to recycle center like AutoZone or Raleigh, and they're gonna take the used oil. Alright. Okay, I got everything back to the bottle. Alright, now we're gonna check, make sure it's tight. Alright, so we're gonna start and check for leak. Okay, now that we check for leaks,